Hello, it's Mandy from Great with Mandy, and today I'm in my Skinny Mini Planner. So I use this planner for gratitude each day. It's super tiny, so there's not a lot of space, so that's why I chose to use it for gratitude. Here's the current week. I really like the colors I chose here. If I forget to write in it a day, I will just leave it blank and not put pressure on myself to fill it all in. And I kind of like how it turns out with a little bit of blank white space in there. And so here's the current week. I think I'll take it out of the discs. And this week, I'm doing something a little more special. I am going to be using this sticker sheet for my Etsy shop. So this is the Wild sticker sheet. I illustrate all of my designs myself on my iPad, and this one was really fun to make. I love the color scheme. I'm a neutral gal, and I think it was just so fun to make. So I thought I would pair it with this functional sticker book just because I know I want to put some boxes in it as well, so I can go ahead and write my gratitude, because I think some of these are a little bit big for this little skinny mini planner, so I think the boxes will go good. So let's get started. So I've got to use one of these leopard prints, of course. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the corner here, unless I put this big one. Yeah, let's just do that. And then maybe I'll put one of these quotes over it. I like the Keep It Wild. And I like that. Okay, so I'm going to need some boxes. A lot of these are too big. These might fit. There's also some hearts. I don't know, I feel like I want to keep the boxes more square than rounded, just because these are more natural shapes, or organic shapes, I guess you could say. So I think boxes would be better. I think these are too big. But let's see. There's some small ones down here. I can show you. Small ones down here, but they might be a little bit too small to be able to write something in. Let me give it one more flip. Yeah, there's those boxes again. Here's some, but they have little icons in them. Here's some as well that are probably the same size. Okay. I think it might have to be these hexagons. Wonder how the gold would look with it. I think that would look nice. Gold. I think I'm just gonna do regular though. So let's see. I like this little blob, and I think I will put, let's see how this looks, if it takes up too much of it. No, I like that. Cool. Okay, and then I think I'll put one here and one here, and I know that's like super balance, but I'm kind of new to planning in this planner, so I'm just gonna do what I'm feeling. And then I'll figure out something to put on the other days as well. I like it though. Pretty, and there's enough space for me to write one little sentence about what I'm grateful for that day. So let's see. These are all a little bit too big now, but this wild child would work. So I guess I'll go ahead and put that on one of these pages. Let's go ahead and put that over here. And then maybe we could use these dots on the other days. One more quick flip. I technically don't need anything. I just feel a little weird leaving it blank. Totally not necessary though. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use those. I don't see anything else that's any better. Okay, cool. My only thought about these guys is that they're like a little bit big. Like I would have to go in some sort of a mini sticker book to find bullet points that were tiny. Like I know in the Squad Goals mini, there's a lot of these tiny bullet points that are like half the size of that. But I am just gonna use these guys. And so that's it. So let me cut off this extra bit. I really like how it turned out. So I love this wild sticker sheet. Like cheetah print is so cute right now. I love everything cheetah print, love and wild styled. But this sheet is in my shop. Super fun. I'm gonna go ahead and link it below so you can check it out and see some of the other pictures I have on the listing. So I hope you enjoyed this little plan with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.